Hi guy, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is TPM. The full form of the TPM is total productive maintenance. Now most of the people want to know what is the TPM. So TPM, total productive maintenance, is a holistic approach to equipment maintenance that strives to achieve perfect protection. Here TPM follows this point: zero breakdown, zero defect, zero small stops or slow running. In addition, it values a safe working environment or culture. So the fourth is zero accident. TPM emphasizes proactive and preventive maintenance to maximize the operational efficiency of equipment. TPM implementation of TPM program creates a shared responsibility for equipment that encourage greater involvement by plant floor workers. In the right environment, this can be very effective in improving productivity, increasing uptime, reducing cycle time, and eliminates defect. Let us discuss about total productive maintenance, traditional TPM pillars. The traditional approach to TPM was developed in 1960s and consists of 5 years as a foundation and 8 supporting activities. The 5 years I will define it in my next video. Let us discuss here 8 supporting activities, pillars. So the TPM 8 pillars are: the first one is autonomous maintenance, second one plant maintenance, third one quality integration, and fourth focus improvement, and fifth early equipment management, sixth is training and education, seventh safety, health and environment, eighth is TPM in administration. Discuss about one by one all 8 pillars. The first one is the autonomous maintenance. And what is it and how does it help in TPM? So what is it? It is places responsibility for routine maintenance such as cleaning, lubrication and inspection in the hand of operators. So here we following CLIT process: cleaning, lubrication, inspection, and the last one is tightening. If any operator is there, it should be the responsibility of operators and daily routine checkup of the equipment. So how does it help? Give operator greater ownership of their equipment. Increase operator knowledge of their equipment. Ensure equipment is well cleaned and lubricated. Identifies emergent issues before they become failure. Frees maintenance personnel for higher level tasks. The second one is the plant maintenance. What is it? Scheduled maintenance task based on predicted and or measured failure rate. How does it helps? Significantly reduce the instance of unplanned stop time. Enable most maintenance to be planned for time when equipment is not scheduled for production. Reduces inventory through better control of wear-prone and failure-prone parts, which is recurring the breakdowns. So you need also maintain your inventory. And the plan for the machine maintenance, whatever you have decided as per schedule when your machine is not in production. Quality is an important role in TPM. So the third is quality integration or maintenance. What is it? Design error detection and prevention into production process. Apply root cause analysis to eliminate recurring sources of quality defects. I will define it my next video. I will make one separate video in root cause analysis. How does it help? Specifically targets quality issues with improvement project focus on removing root sources of defects. Reduce number of defects. Reduce cost by catching defects early. It is expensive and unreliable to find defect through inspection. Pillar of the TPM is a focus improvement. Without improvement, we can't change the productivity. So improvement is necessary part of our productivity. What is it? Have a small group of employees work together practically to achieve regular incremental improvement operation. How does it help? Recurring problems are identified and resolved by the cross-function team. Combine the collective talents of a company to create an engine for continuous improvement, or it's called Kaizen for KAIZEN. I'll define it next video. This Kaizen is the called continuous improvement. The fifth one, early equipment management. What is it? It is direct practical knowledge and understanding of manufacturing equipment gained through TPM towards improving the design of new equipment. How does it help? New equipment reaches plant performance level much faster. Fewer startup issues. Maintenance is a simpler and more robust due to practical review and employee involvement prior to installation. The sixth pillar of the TPM is the training and education. What is it? Fill in knowledge gaps necessary to achieve TPM goals. Applies to operators, maintenance personnel, and manager. How does it help? Operators develop skill to routinely maintain equipment and identify emerging problems. Maintenance personnel learn technique for practice and preventive maintenance. Managers are trained on TPM principle as well as on employee coaching and development. It is totally based on education and training. Seventh TPM pillar is safety, health and environment. Suppose that you are unsafe, so you can't give your 100% productivity, and if you're not fit, not healthy, then it's also affected your productivity, and your environment also affected your productivity. So overall, this seventh pillar is safety, health and environment related. What is it? Maintain a safe and healthy working equipment or environment or culture. How does it help? Eliminates potential health and safety risk, resulting in a safer workplace, and specifically target the goal of an accident-free workplace. Now the last is TPM in administration. What is it? Apply TPM technique to administrative functions. How does it help? Extend TPM benefit beyond the plant flow by addressing waste in administrative functions, support production to improve administrative operation, example, order, processing, procurements, and scheduling. So I define here what is a TPM, total predictive maintenance, and 8 pillar of the 8 pillar of TPM. So the end of video. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.